At the last hour of the trading day, 3:13 p.m., we detected 2,346 put options on Palantir today, November 29. But we also detected 1,200 call options as well. So in this video, we will review both of these strike prices to find out what this data could be telling us about Palantir, because it seems like this is going down and up, right? When we take a look at the chart, the 18.5 and the 21 strike prices, we're currently at $19.84. So for Palantir to move down to 18.5, this would be a decline of negative 6.86. And for Palantir to rise to about the $21, you can see that this would require about 5.88% gain. So slightly less than the decline, but around the plus or minus 6%. Okay. So when we take a look at these options to see which one has more strength, we can take a look at the value of the trade to get an estimate. We can see here we have 2,346 of the put options paying $18 each. This was the time. We also see that here, same time, same strike prices. There was also 952, also the $18. Okay, we also see one over here at the bottom here. This was 681 contracts. And as we move down, there will be some more, but it is not as much. And so to get an estimate, we'll just take a total out of these for now. Okay, so 2,346 plus 952, 681 gives us a total contract of 3,979. Let's multiply that by 18 to find out how much this specific trader put in. Okay, so we see that it was about $71,000. Okay, now let's take a look at the call options. We see here that the call options have 1,200. They pay $278 for each one. We also see here the 21 strike calls, same expiration. There was 900 contracts here. This was paying $260. Okay. So let's tally this up to get an estimate. 278 times 1,200. We get about 333,000 just for this first one here. And then the other one, 260 times 900 is $230. Okay, so adding that up with the 333,000, you get about 567,000. So $500,000. So the call side is a lot higher in trade value. Okay, so that's something to take into account as we analyze this. Okay, now when we take a look at the April 2024s, where these call options are located, we can see the 21 strikes right over here are opening trades because the open interest is much less at 810. Okay, so they were buying these call options, and you can see that this is a bullish trade, each with a delta of about 53 going long. Okay, and for the put options, December 8th, we can see that this is shorter term. We can see here that the open interest was 2,957. So because this amount here is slightly still greater than the 2,346, it is possible that they bought these put options to close out of that position, right? There is that probability of that happening, so that it is not necessarily a very bearish trade. You can see that if it was bearish, this is what the profit loss diagram looks like. Okay, so as we factor in a lot of these variables and these numbers, the put side here, and because the value of that trade was not that high in comparison to the call options, is not as strong as the call side going up. Okay, so based on this analysis, we feel that Palantir will be going up higher. All right, and comment below, what do you think? Do you agree or do you not agree? Let us know. All right, and as usual, please smash that like button. And if you're interested in this type of analyses where we use unusual options activity to find better stock picks to beat the market, then consider joining our membership on our webpage. We'll put a link at the top here, so you can access that as well. And take care, everybody, and have a wonderful day.